Hi, this is Patricia Elizabeth with your Unplug from the collective Akashic Journey. This Akashic Journey is designed to help you disconnect from the overwhelming energies of the collective, reclaim your sovereignty, and align with your highest vibration. Please make certain that you are in a safe place and not walking, driving, or operating any type of machinery while listening to this recording. Thank you and enjoy. Now go ahead, find a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a nice deep breath in. With each deep breath, just feel yourself releasing tension, external noise, and collective energies that do not belong to you. Beautiful. Now let's take a nice deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a few moments and slowly exhale through your mouth. Beautiful. Now let's take another nice deep breath in through your nose. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Beautiful. Let's do this one more time. So take a nice deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a few moments and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Beautiful. Now I'm going to invite you to see, feel, imagine, know, and trust that there are golden roots extending from your feet, anchoring you deep into the earth's core, stabilizing you in your own divine energy. And as you inhale, just draw up pure, stabilizing energy from the earth. And as you exhale, just release any emotions, thoughts, or energies that are not your own. We're going to do this several times, so go ahead, take a nice deep breath in, drawing up pure, stabilizing energy. And as you exhale, just let go of any emotion, thoughts, or energies that are not yours. Take another nice deep breath in, drawing up pure, stabilizing energies from Mother Earth. And as you exhale, just let go of any emotions, thought, or energies or lower energies that are not yours. Beautiful. Now we're going to start by setting a powerful intention, and I'm going to invite you to silently or aloud say with me, I step into this Akashic journey to fully unplug from the collective energy. I reclaim my sovereignty, restore my energy field, and align with my true divine essence. Beautiful. And I'm going to invite you to see, feel, imagine, know, and trust that there's a shimmering silver blue pathway appearing before you. And each step forward unplugs you from external energies, societal conditioning, and collective fear. And as you walk, your energy field becomes clearer, lighter, and more aligned with your higher self. Now, a luminescent crystalline gateway appears at the end of the path, and this is your entrance to your Akashic records, where your soul's pure frequency is being restored. And as you step through, just feel yourself surrounded by divine light, untouched by the noise of the outside world. Now your Akashic guides lead you to a sacred chamber of energetic sovereignty, a space filled with crystalline grids and geometric patterns designed to clear external influences. You're going to see in the center of the chamber a light column of pure divine energy awaits you, ready to assist you in fully unplugging from the collective field. Beautiful. Now I'm going to invite you to stand before the light column And just allow yourself to become aware of any collective energies, thoughts, fears, emotions, or beliefs that are not truly yours. And these may appear as energetic cords, shadows, or sensations in your body. Just simply observe them with neutrality. Let the light column begins to pulse, gently disconnecting and dissolving any energetic cords or attachments that have kept you entangled in external narratives. And as these energies release, just affirm with me, I unplug from all collective fear, density, and conditioning. I unplug from all collective fear, density, and conditioning. I unplug from all collective fear, density, and conditioning. I reclaim my sovereignty and divine clarity. I reclaim my sovereignty and divine clarity. I reclaim my sovereignty and divine clarity. And as the column now infuses your being with your true soul incense, your unique frequency free from interference. And just feel your heart expanding, your mind clearing, and your body becoming light, free, and fully aligned with your divine truth. And I'm just going to be silent for several minutes. Continue to take a nice deep breath, allowing yourself to receive your pure soul frequency. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now your Akashic guides place a crystalline shield around your aura, ensuring that only energies that are in full alignment with your soul remain. You are now fully sovereign, centered, and energetically protected. And while your team is just sealing your energy field in sovereignty, I'm going to encourage you to silently or loud repeat with me, I am fully unplugged from the collective energy. I am fully unplugged from the collective energy. I am fully unplugged from the collective energies. I stand in my divine sovereignty and truth. I stand in my divine sovereignty and truth. I stand in my divine sovereignty and truth. I am free, whole, and in perfect alignment with my soul. I am free, whole, and in perfect alignment with my soul. I am free, whole, and in perfect alignment with my soul. Can you take a nice deep breath? Beautiful. And your energy field is now completely sealed in sovereignty. I'm going to invite you to thank the light column, the sacred chamber, and your Akashic guides for their support and guidance. And just see if you'll imagine no trust of gratitude for the freedom and clarity you have reclaimed. Now your Akashic guides are going to place a golden seal of energetic integrity over your aura, ensuring that you remain protected and sovereign in all dimensions. And this seal radiates with divine light, reinforcing your connection to your higher self. Beautiful. Now go ahead, return to the crystalline gateway of your Akashic records. And as you step through, just feel yourself fully aligned with your own energy. And the gateway gently closes behind you, sealing your new vibration of sovereignty and energetic clarity. Now take a nice deep expansive breath. Bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes and taking several nice deep grounding breaths. And here I'm going to invite you to see, feel, imagine, know, and trust that there's a golden orb of light surrounding you, protecting and maintaining your energetic purity. Beautiful. Now silently or out loud, say with me, I am fully sovereign, free, and aligned with my true essence. I remain unplugged from all external influences and fully connected to my divine self. Take a few nice, deep, expansive breaths. Feel yourself being fully back in the room you are in. Take another nice, deep breath. Wiggle your hands in your body if you feel called to. Take another nice, deep, expansive breath. And when you're ready, open your eyes, feeling clear, empowered, and fully anchored in your divine sovereignty. So I hope you enjoyed this very powerful, powerful unplug from the collective Akashic Journey. You may want to come back and listen to this at any time. You may also want to just save this as your favorite. Just a few things. Make sure you drink a lot of water, preferably hydrogen, crystalline, and or source water. Pay attention to what's coming up and pay attention as well. What are you focusing on? Are you focusing on the external world or are you focusing on the internal world? Are you giving your power away or are you in your power? So check out the description below to see how I can support you further. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead, click on the like button. Feel free to share it. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe and leave me a comment below what came up for you. So lots of love. This is Patricia Elizabeth from integratesoulactivation.com. I will see you next week. Bye for now.